Hey, I'm working on a preventative maintenance project today. This is for 1025R and 2025R Generation 2 owners. And I got a stack of wheel weights. Order these off Amazon. You can find the link below. So a lot of owners are having an issue where they turn the steering wheel and they break the steering cylinder boot. And I can put some pictures up here, somewhere up here. Anyway, this is a really easy project. It only takes like a minute or two. Let's get started.
Alright, I'm on the left side of the tractor, and where I need to apply the weight is right here. You may have to clean it. I used a shop rag and roughed it up pretty good. Got all the dirt off. I don't think it has to be too extremely clean. These are adhesive wheel weights, so you just peel the sticker off the back. And there you go. It looks like it was supposed to be there. There are silver versions and black. I picked the black so it'd be a little less obvious. And that's all there is to it. I think the service bulletin says that you only have to put one on the left side. I'm going to go ahead and put one on the right just in case. And this is the boot that we're trying to prevent the tear on. I don't want to replace this part because it's made into this cylinder. I think you have to buy the whole thing if you break this, if you can't find a rubber boot replacement part. But I'm not sure on that, so don't quote me on it. I'd rather spend a few dollars on this weight than have to spend a few hundred on this problem later. I'm on the right side now. One thing that's really nice about this is that it's very easy. You don't have to take the loader off or jack the tractor up. You can reach this right from the side. Got a little bit of extra foam on that one.
The turning radius is slightly reduced by the sticky weight, but I haven't found that to be an issue. It's barely noticeable. Hey, I hope you found this video helpful. Also consider giving a like and subscribe. It helps the channel out, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.